Hello everyone, welcome to Notepad Class 3. In the previous class, we have learned File menu and Edit menu. In this video, we are going to learn Format menu. In the Format menu, the first option is Word Wrap. What is Word Wrap? So I am going to delete this. I am going to type some dummy text. You can observe when I am going to type the content, it never come down when the lines end. It's continuously going on. It's never come down. But if you don't want like that, if you want word wrap, go to format, click on word wrap. You can observe. So when you are going to type, automatically when the page end will come out, it will come down. See. So this is the use of word wrap. Wrap is nothing but cut. Automatically will come down. If you disable that option, again you can observe. I want to go to end of line mean press end in the keypad. Now we can type. See. Okay. I am going to apply word wrap. Now it's coming like this. But when you apply word wrap in the edit, go to will never work. I have explained in class 2. Okay, I don't want this text. I'm going to delete on keypad. Okay, next option is, okay, I disable word wrap. Next option is font. So when you click on font, one dialog box will appear here. Font is used to change font, font style and font size. Okay, so now we are using here Cambria. Okay, I am going to choose one of the font here and I am going to click on OK. You can observe the font style has been changed. Again, go to font and you can change which font do you want to apply in your document. See, we have a different kinds of fonts here. You can apply any font you want. So these are the curly fonts. Okay, I am going to apply this font. It's coming like this. But which is the standard font mean? Go to font. So as for the documents, as for the work, some of standard fonts are there. In that normally we are using Arial font or Times New Roman font or Cambria also we are using, or we are using Roboto for logos and all, but I am going to use Cambria font. In Cambria, okay, I have choose and click OK. See, the font has come here. This is called font. Okay, and what is style mean? If I click regular, you can observe the font will come straight. Again, go to font. If you want italic, you can observe the font slightly will bend right. This is called italic. If you want to make a bold, mean you have to make a thickness of font, you can go for bold. Select the bold and click OK. Now we can observe the font become bold. I need bold and italic. So go to format, font. So you can choose here bold, italic and click OK. You can observe now the font. It is also bold and also italic. Italic means slightly bend right. This is called font style. If you want to increase font size, okay, so go to size and you can choose what is the size you require. Select that and click OK. Now see, the font size has increased. Again go to font and you want some more, you can increase here. Okay, I am going to give 72. You can observe, see the font has increased in the size. Okay, I want to decrease font again. Go to font. Okay, now I'm going to choose for a visible purpose. I'm going to give 24. It's look good. So this is called font. I hope you understand. Once again I repeat, in font we have learned how to change the font and font style and font size, and script are no need, but you can get the sample here. Click OK. The next we move to view. In view, the first option is zoom is there. If I click zoom in, so you can observe the content is increasing like this. It's getting zoom. And if you don't want zoom, you can click a zoom out. Zoom out. Zoom out. I want a standard zoom in. You can click on restore default zoom. We have a shortcut also. Control plus is called zoom in keypad. Control minus is zoom out. Control 0 is a restore zoom. I hope you are getting. Yes. And next is status bar. So this is actually called status bar. If you don't want status bar, you can disable it. See, status bar will not come. Again, if you want, you can activate, it will come. What is the use of status bar? You can observe here line 1 and colon 1 is there, which means colon mean character. See, I am going to click here. So it presenting line number 3 colon number 7. Okay, I am going to click here line number 15 colon number 27. When I enter, see line number and colon number is presenting. I am going to type here Sahara. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it presenting after 7. Like that we can see here, and what is the zoom, okay, and which one we are using, everything we can present. In status we can see the status where is the cursor point. If you don't want, you can disable it. Again, if you want, you can apply it. I hope you are getting. And help, maximally no one are using help. So Notepad class is completed. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share.